Enjoy the country life in this gorgeous brick home on a 1-acre lot located in Countrywood Estates. The home features 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. Beautiful open floor plan with a dining room to one side of the foyer and a large office. Straight ahead is the great room featuring a wood-burning fireplace and raised ceiling. Next is a fully heated and cooled Florida room that overlooks the large backyard. The kitchen is very spacious with an island. The split bedroom design has the master off to itself with a large master bedroom and the master bathroom featuring double sink vanity, double walk-in closets, a soaking tub and separate shower. 2 of the bedrooms are to the front with a bathroom to share, and a third bedroom is to the back with a separate full bathroom. The 1-acre lot has been nicely cleared, still leaving some trees but plenty of room for a garden as well as play area and attractive fire pit for entertaining. A large storage shed is in the fenced backyard to put yard equipment, etc. You will enjoy this home with the Baker schools for family and a modest drive to the numerous military bases, but still have some privacy. Non-restricted breed pets allowed with photo proof and $400 non-refundable pet fee. No smoking or vaping in the